Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tip video, we'll be diving into a powerful feature in Unreal Engine called bookmarks. So what are bookmarks? Bookmarks are markers that you can place at specific locations within your project. These markers act as shortcuts, allowing you to quickly jump to important areas of your scene or project without the need to manually search or scroll through your content. Understanding how to create and manage bookmarks in Unreal Engine can make a significant difference in your efficiency. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I have a secret bookmark tip just for you. So let's get started. Using bookmarks is incredibly straightforward, and you can set them in the Viewport Editor and the Blueprint Editor. Let's start off with the Viewport Editor bookmarks. To create a bookmark, open your project and navigate to the location in your viewport that you want to bookmark. With the desired location in view, go to the Viewport Options menu and select Bookmarks. Then select Set Bookmark. You'll see a list of 10 bookmark slots from 0 to 9 that you can set. Notice that there are Control plus number hotkeys that you can also use to set bookmarks without having to go to the Viewport Options menu. Go ahead and set your current view to Bookmark 1. Now, if we change the viewport's camera angle or navigate to another location, we can always return back to the Bookmark 1 location by going to the Viewport Options menu and selecting Bookmarks. This time you'll see additional items to select from. Notice that on the Jump to Bookmark 1 item, there's a hotkey 1 that you can use without having to return to the Viewport Options menu. Go ahead and select Jump to Bookmark 1, and the viewport will return to your Bookmark 1 location. Now let's create a bookmark using a hotkey. Navigate to another area of your map, click and hold the Control key while you press the number 3 key on your keyboard. You now have 2 bookmarks set, and you can navigate between them by pressing the number 1 key or the number 3 key on your keyboard. If you need to clear or delete a bookmark, go to the Viewport Options menu, select Bookmarks, and then select Clear Bookmark to clear a specific bookmark, or clear all bookmarks to clear them all. If you have multiple bookmarks but empty bookmark slots between them, the Compact Bookmarks option can be used to move bookmark indices so they are continuous. For example, you currently have bookmarks at 1 and 3. Click on Compact Bookmarks. The engine will move them to 0 and 1 respectively. Now let's take a look at Blueprint Bookmarks. With Blueprint Bookmarks, you can create named bookmarks in any function graph in the Blueprint Editor. This bookmark will capture the position and zoom level of the viewport and the active tab you were viewing when you created the bookmark. To create a Blueprint bookmark, do the following. With the graph and zoom position you wish to bookmark, click the bookmark icon in the upper left of the graph. In the new bookmark dialog box, enter your desired name and click the Add button. To view or use a previously created bookmark, select the Bookmarks option from the Window menu. This will open the Bookmarks window that displays all the bookmarks for the current asset as well as any comment nodes. In the Bookmarks window, clicking the eye icon in the upper right corner will expand additional options. Disabling Show Comment Blocks removes comment nodes from being displayed in the menu. Enabling Show Bookmarks for Current Graph Only will show bookmarks for your active graph, while disabling it will show all bookmarks for the asset while on any graph. For bookmarks displayed in the window, you can right-click on a bookmark or comment to expand additional options. The right-click context menu enables you to delete or rename bookmarks, as well as to jump directly to the selected bookmark or comment. Double-click on a bookmark or comment node block to jump to that section of your graph. And here's the secret tip that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. In addition to creating standard blueprint bookmarks, you can create a quick jump bookmark, which is similar to how the hotkey bookmarks work in the viewport editor. To assign and use a quick jump bookmark, with a graph open, press Ctrl plus any number key from 0 to 9 to remember your current blueprint, graph location, and zoom level. Note that quick jump bookmarks do not require you to have the asset open. They will automatically open the asset and go to the graph location and zoom level. To demonstrate this, I'm going to close this asset. Now, inside any graph, press Shift plus the same number key from the previous step to return to that blueprint, graph location, and zoom level. We hope you found this quick tutorial helpful in mastering bookmarks in Unreal Engine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Unreal Engine tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode as we continue to explore the incredible features and possibilities of Unreal Engine.